Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Instagram notifications and stop getting alerts every time someone goes live, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off live notifications for any account on Instagram. Whether you're trying to reduce distractions or just want a little more peace and quiet, this quick guide will help you manage your notifications with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, head over to the profile of the person whose live notifications you want to turn off. You can do this by searching for their username in the search bar at the top of your screen, or by tapping their name if you see them in your feed or stories. Once you're on their profile page, look just below their bio. You'll see a button that says Following. Tap on this button to bring up a menu with more options. At the top of this menu, you'll notice a bell-shaped icon labeled Notifications. Tap on this icon to open the notification settings for this specific account. Now, you'll see several notification options. Look for the one that says Goes Live. This is the setting that controls whether you get notified when this person starts a live video. Tap on Goes Live, and you'll see the option to turn off notifications. Simply select Turn Off Notifications, and you're all set. You'll no longer receive alerts when this account goes live. And that's it. Just a few quick taps and you've taken control of your Instagram experience. If you ever change your mind, you can always follow these same steps to turn notifications back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite apps. See you in the next video.